Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 9, and today I will show you how we can boot this device into safe mode. So to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen twice, and then select the power button from the bottom right here, and you want to hold power off. When you hold it, it changes into reboot to safe mode, which then you want to confirm by selecting OK. Now before I do so, I'm going to quickly go into the message that we get. So, do you want to reboot into safe mode? This will disable all third-party applications you have installed. They will be restored when you reboot again. Let's click on OK. And to go a little bit more in depth into that message, what it refers to is that any app that you have installed yourself will be temporarily turned off, and neither you nor the device can start it up. And this is done so you can troubleshoot your phone, and it's primarily, I would assume, designed for purposes where you might have downloaded an app, or maybe you created an app that is just completely messing up your device and you can't use it correctly, and maybe you just cannot get rid of this app. Booting into this mode would prevent this certain app from causing you any problems, and then you can just safely get rid of it. Now, as you can see, you have a watermarking right here saying safe mode or AF mode, as it is a little bit too curved for the S. And on the second page, you can see a couple applications, or at least one, that will not function in this mode. It is becoming monochrome, so any app that you have installed will become looking kind of like this, which is gray out. And if you try to open it up, it gives you the pop-up at the bottom, downloaded apps disabled in safe mode. Now, with that being said, once you're done with the safe mode and you want to go back to the normal mode, all you would need to do is just find the power button again, and this time around select restart. When the device reboots again, it automatically goes back to the normal mode. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.